In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove uninstalled apps from the App Store. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your App Store and then hit on your profile icon. Now here, tap on Purchase It. And there it gives you two options. The first is all and the second is not on this iPhone. On that tab there is only apps that are not installed on that phone, and that tab contains both installed and not installed application. And now to be able to clear that app from here, all I have to do is swipe to the left and there hit on hide. Keep in mind that this action just clears the app from that history. It's not delete the app from your device. Like if I delete Bitmoji app from here, I can hit hide, but that app is still installed on my device. I can open it up and I can use it. So if you want to delete the app from the device, all you have to do is hold down on that app icon, there hit remove app, and there hit on delete app, and hit on delete again. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.